What if I told you the next wave of millionaires aren't coders, investors, or influencers? They're ordinary people mastering 5 simple AI skills most professionals still haven't heard of. Right now, accountants, teachers, and freelancers are turning AI tools into monthly incomes ranging from $500 to $5,000, with zero programming background. They're using prompts instead of code, ideas instead of capital, and strategy instead of burnout. Here's the wild part. These same AI skills are fueling the fastest-growing jobs on the planet. Prompt engineers now earn an average of $136,000 a year, and AI content strategists are building full-time incomes from their laptops. Meanwhile, demand for AI-powered roles jumped 56% this year alone, while most people are still just scrolling headlines about automation anxiety. We're standing at the edge of the biggest wealth migration since the early internet. But this time, the tools are free, the learning curve is low, and the playing field is open to anyone who moves now. Over the next few minutes, you'll discover the 5 AI skills that can make you rich in the next 3 years. No coding required. The only question is, will you be the one building new income streams with machines, or the one replaced by someone who did? Because the gold rush isn't coming, it's already here. And in the next segment, we'll expose why these new AI jobs are quietly reshaping the global economy, while 90% of workers still think they need to learn to code first. Something extraordinary is happening right now, and almost nobody's prepared for it. AI isn't just automating work, it's redefining who gets wealthy. For the first time in history, technical revolutions aren't locked behind Ivy League degrees or venture capital. They're one search bar away. But there's a catch. Only the people who act now are positioned to benefit. In the past 18 months, AI-related job postings have exploded by over 50%, while salaries in AI-supported roles have surged 56%. Yet 9 out of 10 professionals still believe they need deep technical knowledge to leverage AI. That misunderstanding is leaving billions of dollars in unclaimed opportunity on the table. Meanwhile, traditional job markets are shrinking. Copywriters, designers, data analysts, anyone who refuses to adopt AI tools, is watching automation take steady bites out of their paychecks. The same platforms that are replacing old tasks are quietly rewarding those who learn to direct them. Here's the uncomfortable truth. The skill divide isn't between engineers and everyone else anymore. It's between people who can guide AI and people who can't. And the gap is widening fast. McKinsey calls it the AI productivity premium, a 56% pay increase for those who understand how to pair human creativity with machine intelligence. In other words, AI isn't killing jobs, it's killing excuses. So if opportunity is this wide open, why aren't more people cashing in? Because most still treat AI as a curiosity instead of a career accelerator. And that's exactly why, in the next segment, we'll break down the 5 AI skills turning regular professionals into high-income earners at record speed, starting with the one skill every company suddenly can't live without. Let's pull back the curtain and name the 5 skills quietly minting new fortunes in 2025. Each one teachable, profitable, and completely code-free. Skill number 1, prompt engineering mastery. If language is power, prompts are the new currency. A great prompt is like a master key. It unlocks expert-level output from any AI tool in seconds. Prompt engineers earn 6 figures because they understand how to ask machines the right questions. The payoff? Turning hours of work into minutes of results. Skill number 2, AI content strategy and story automation. Once, entire creative teams were needed for one campaign. Now, a single strategist using AI tools can generate blogs, emails, and even video scripts at scale. One freelancer recently doubled her monthly income within 3 months. just by combining Jasper AI with ChatGPT to run content for small businesses hungry for online presence. Skill number 3, AI-powered marketing and personal branding. With the right prompts and tools, you can build entire lead generation systems. Professionals are using Copy.ai to write ads, Canva AI for visuals, and ChatGPT to craft selling stories, charging $75 to $200 an hour while brands cut agency costs. Skill number 4, AI tool integration and no-code automation. Tools like Zapier and Make let anyone link apps, so processes run on autopilot. Build once, earn forever. Businesses pay monthly retainers for automations that replace full-time staff. Skill number 5, AI consulting and problem-solving. This is the peak of leverage. Consultants help organizations adopt AI and charge project fees up to $100,000 plus. You don't create tools, you direct how they're used. 5 skills. 0 coding. Unlimited scalability. But here's the twist. Mastering tools isn't enough. You have to master psychology. Because the biggest threat to your success isn't technology. It's your mind's resistance to change. And in the next segment, we'll expose the 3 psychological traps keeping most people broke in the middle of the greatest wealth transfer of our lifetime. Here's where most people lose. Not because the opportunity isn't real, but because their psychology short-circuits before their strategy even starts. The first trap is disbelief. People see headlines about AI millionaires and assume it's hype. They can't accept that learning how to talk to an algorithm could be more valuable than their college degree. But disbelief is just a comfort blanket. It lets us stay spectators in a game we could easily play. Next comes procrastination. The illusion of needing to learn everything first kills momentum. In reality, the winners learn publicly. They post their first AI projects online, gather feedback, iterate fast, and monetize faster. Perfection never made a fortune. Execution did. The third trap is comfort. Status quo bias whispers, your job's safe, your workflow works. Yet AI doesn't care about habits. It replaces them. Waiting until it feels safe is the most dangerous move you can make, because exponential change never slows down to let you catch up. Every industrial revolution punished hesitation, but rewarded early adopters who experimented before certainty. In 2010, people laughed at the idea of social media managers. Now they run entire marketing divisions. The same shift is repeating with AI strategists, automation consultants, and prompt experts. Here's the twist worth everything. The most profitable move right now isn't starting a new business. It's upgrading yourself into one. And in the next segment, we'll tie it all together, showing you exactly how to turn one AI skill into income within 90 days and build your gateway into the AI-powered economy. So, where does this leave you? Standing at the crossroads of the fastest-moving opportunity of our lifetime. We're not talking about learning to code or quitting your job tomorrow. We're talking about building skills so valuable, they pull opportunities toward you. One skill, one project, 90 days of focused action. That's all it takes to enter the new economy most people will notice only when it's too late. Start small. Pick the skill that excites you. Prompt engineering, content strategy, automation, marketing, or consulting. Spend week 1 experimenting with free tools. In week 2, build one practical project, a campaign, an automated workflow, or a client case study. In week 3, refine it and show your results publicly. In week 4, charge for it. That's it. Create, test, monetize, repeat. Because the AI revolution won't reward spectators. It rewards practitioners. The people who use the technology while everyone else debates it. Within 3 years, the phrase AI-powered professional will replace tech-savvy. And you can either be explaining it or being paid because you embody it. Here's your challenge from Skill Rise Hub. Learn one AI skill this month. Build something real. Share it. Let your results speak louder than fear. The future of work isn't automation replacing humans. It's humans who understand automation leading everyone else. The window is open right now. Step through it before it closes. Because wealth doesn't disappear. It just changes owners. And the next owners are the ones learning AI today.